Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a recent development where Ambani's Reliance has requested India to review the potential reach of Elon Musk, Starlink and Amazon before awarding satellite spectrum. This move has significant implications for the telecom industries. Let's dive into the legal implications, explore the related laws and the famous cases. Request for a review. Reliance has asked India telecom regulators to crucially examine the capacities of the Starlink and the Amazon before granting satellite spectrum. This concern has these mega companies will affect the local players. Regulatory concerns the telecom regulators will review all the feedback from the before making any final recommendation, potentially before end of this year. Starlink and Amazon are seeking security clearance and a license for offering satellite broadband services in India. Impact on local players. Reliance argued that these companies would target the same customers with a much lower outlay, potentially affecting the local telecom players. The decision whether to auction the spectrum or locate it administratively is a very crucial related to Telecom Regulatory Authority of India guidelines. These guidelines governs the location of the satellite spectrum and ensure fair competition. Foreign direct investment policy. This policy regulates the foreign investment in the telecom sectors and ensure the compliance with the national interest. Famous cases: Google antitrust fines in EU. Google faces many fines in EU market, and because it has strict regulations. Apple tax ruling in EU ordered Apple to pay 14.5 billion in back taxes to Ireland. It is very important that these companies ignore the tax regulations. The Indian Reliance is very much concerned about these mega giants companies coming to India, which will surely give them a tough time and implications of the policies. Telecom industries which will be badly hurt. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.